Hey guys, what is happening? Today we are going to be checking out this abandoned gas station at the bottom of the Salt River Canyon in Arizona. And like the thumbnail says, I do have family ties here. It turns out that in the 1950s, my great-grandmother ran this, and I wanted to go inside, check it out, and see what it looks like on the inside. So, what do you say? Let's go check this thing out. So that'll be interesting to stop by. Oh, look, you can see she's starting to come apart. Bricks are popping out now. And that was a fuel tank to run the generators, and maybe even store the fuel for the cars to get gas on their way through. Here's the back. Of course, all the graffiti. Let's see, can we get through this way? All right. Well, this was a bathroom. There's lots of flies here. This is the other bathroom. Lots of critters. Stuff is falling apart. Oh joy. Freaking hornet's nest up there. I will not be walking under that. Let's take the other way around. Now the electrical's gone. And I'm not sure if you saw, but off in the distance there's it looks like an old jail cell. We'll go over there and take a look in a second too. What's over here? Canyon is hopping today. Lots of cars driving through. Looks like an old desk. Some old equipment. And then the fuel tank. Let's see if we can't go inside here. Kind of worried about going in there after seeing those hornet's nest at the side door. Let's make our way to the front door here. I don't remember coming in here as a kid, but my aunts and uncles, they told me about it. So, and here's the old lights. It's definitely seen its better days. There's lots of bees flying around this bush. Let's see what this is going to be like. Now it's really dark, so I'm not sure if this will even work. There's the coolers where the drinks were. And there's probably where the cashier was, where you could purchase your items. Oh, they really tore things up in here. It's been abandoned for a long time, I know. As far as I can remember back, nobody's been here. That was storage area, maybe. Heavy storage area and miscellaneous stuff. Side entrance into the cooler. Alright, what we got over here? Checking for bugs and snakes. Well, what was this? Maybe just a storage room. I'm not too sure. And that's the way back out on the side door. And then this was just probably like a little office area. Drawer down the floor there. All the roof is caving in. You can see the brick is starting to separate over there too. It's starting to come out over there. Well, I'm glad I had a chance to come in here while it's still up. Another look. Lots of artistic graffiti. Cool. Well, what do you say we go take a look at that jail? I mean, I know what it is, but I'll take you up closer and so we can get a look. I have taken pictures here at night, full moon. I'll show you those pictures I took before. I got this canyon, it was early in the morning with a full moon. The building we were just in the background. And I've got star trail pictures of this jail. I'll show you in a second. It's more for a tourist. It wasn't really even a jail. It was just for people to look at and get pictures in jail while you're in the bottom of the canyon. We'll walk around this way. For what it was, I think they did a really good job making it look pretty authentic. It's been here forever too, as far as I can remember. So I could probably see if I can come in here and see what it's like. I gotta be careful with nails, rusty nails sticking out everywhere. That's kind of inside. There's the bunk. All these years, never had the time to stop by here. The shadow getting in everything now. Here's the bunk. People leaving their trash. Reaching for nails. Let's see what the old desk was for. Maybe for the sheriff to keep track of who's in here. And then the old jail cell with its bunk. And spider webs. I'll head back to the truck. I'm going to try and get a couple of pictures with my camera. Get one last look here. Yeah, pretty neat. Looks really southwestern. So, awesome. Let's go get some pictures. That was the abandoned gas station at the bottom of the Salt River Canyon, and kind of cool. Family ties here. Didn't even know that until probably the last year I knew that. So anyways, I'm gonna head up, meet with some family, and just remember, never say goodbye. Always see you later.